72 Blazer. Alright, you guys, check it out. 72 Blazer. This is basically how I got it, minus it was a lot more dirty. And I did a little guide coat on these doors just to get a good visual of the damage. We're replacing the bed sides. Gonna fix this ugly tailgate. It's got a bunch of little things that need to be addressed. We're gonna swap this over to the other one. We're gonna give it a little prep in here, do a little black undercoating type of thing, take off the windshield, paint the dash. That's the project. So here's the front clip, the hood, and the inner fenders, and the cowl vent, which I'm replacing. But these, I'm gonna take this apart so that I can get it kind of together with the new ones and put it in there, get everything lined up so that I can start blocking, take them off, primer everything nice, and then put it back on, give it another block, make sure everything's still straight, and then should be ready for paint. But these fenders need some work, so I'm gonna hammer and dolly while I have them apart, and you guys will see some of the tearing down, and then I'll show you guys some of the hammer and dolly, and then the putting it together. Alright, guys, so right here, checking fitment. I didn't record putting on the front end, but did it with my stepson. We got the front end on there. Still need to align some things, get these lines right, but so far it's lining up pretty decent. I don't think we should have a problem getting this thing straight lines. I'm gonna replace the bed sides right now, so I'm gonna take off the tailgate. I'm gonna cut this little roll pan off, free them up, unbolt them, and get the new ones on. Stay tuned.